Hello, this is Alessio. Today is Tuesday, September the 7th, and we're going to analyze the two most interesting stock setups that I've looked at this week, starting this week. So, first one is Phreesia, ticker symbol PHR, and as you can see from the chart, actually we had an update with members where we saw this initial move in 3, and yet what I didn't like about this move, because of course you can say this is A, B, C with 2 down there. The thing is, if we use the guideline of the right look, we see how this correction it's too small compared to the correction on 180 degree. So I warned members that I was expecting something deeper. So of course, with that initial 3 ways down, we could expect it a flat, an irregular one, and eventually it came. And now what is interesting is perhaps we have resumed to the upside. Worst case scenario, this is wave 4, this is 5, and this was wave A of high degree wave 2. But either way, I still think it still looks like we will see upside in the future. And what is even more interesting is from the cover lows, pretty much, which is from when we start to have price action, which was down in A, up in B, down in C. We can count 5 ways up and 3 ways down with the leading diagonal into wave A, up in B, down again into wave C. So potentially there's very much upside left for Phreesia, even if this is not 1, 2, but this is A, B. We're still missing 5 ways up, so still very much upside to go. The next chart is CRSP, and here let me zoom out so I can show you what I'm looking for. So what I'm looking for is a wave 4 of intermediate wave, the right one, to pair up with this wave 2. So of course, wave count invalidation is at 37.8. So let me draw a red line so that we have that level marked up. Now let's focus on this wave 4. So what I see is clear 3 ways down. I see down, sideways, down, so ABC. A pretty directional move to the upside, which is very typical of a connector. So either wave B or X, in this case possibly X. And now I see down, a sideways movement so far, and then I would expect down again. So this could be a double XY, and this, what is happening right now, could be some kind of triangle into wave B. So what could happen is down, up, down, and then we resume to the upside. Now, of course, since it's irregular, a complex, it could also turn out to be a double XY, XZ. I cannot know that now, but what I possibly do know is I do expect downside. So potentially, for the short term, someone could look for shorts. Of course, probability-wise, the chances of being right with a short are lower than with a long, because we will be counter trend trading. But yeah, still it should be working out. What will be interesting is to look for potential longs from the end of the correction, of course. So possibly I'll measure equality, perhaps a wave A and C of high degree wave Y. And let's not forget that around here, around 85, we have the wave 4 of 180 degree, and we know that a very common tendency for wave 4 is to end near the wave 4 of 180 degree. So I guess that's it for me today. As always, please feel free to let me know in the comments if you have any remarks to make about the account. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.